Show your new haircut. Oh, you look very handsome. Oh, clap, clap. What about you, Miss Soph?
Is it clapping?
Oh, yes.
Say hi.
Say hello. Hello. Oh, lots of chatting. You're a good baby, Soph. You're going to say... Hello, Miss Nosy Nose. Hello. You're shaking your head. Uh-oh. Are you going to crawl for us, Nicholas? Oh, what's that over there, Nicholas? Ooh, we're going to crawl to it. Oh, you say baby, so. Come on, Nicholas.
Can you come safe?
Oh, it looks like fun.
Yeah, what?
There you go. There you go. Good boy.
There you got it.
He's saying baby, so.
Right there. Turn around.
Oh.
Oh, we're over there now. Yeah, you're crawling. Oh, you locked it.